that's definitely not maxed out. That's the right side, and that's the left side. That's not maxed out either. Here's what our problem is. Basically, I've just checked on the other side. This is all the way in. Based on the readings before the wheel alignment, what that would mean is that both wheels were going inwards. Now what that means is that this whole hub is too close to the subframe. Basically what it caused, because the point where it connects into the knuckle is to this side, what that means is if this is too short, it goes inwards and that pushes out. And the reason why both sides were towing in is because that lower arm is too short, is not the correct lower control arm, it's too short, and it makes both of these go outwards even when they are fully adjusted. The reason why this side is good and the other side isn't is because basically the steering wheel needs to be off center for this to be good, and that side won't be good. So basically it's added up the amount of toe that we're going in to being good on one side and being really bad on the other side. So we would need to change the lower control arm to the correct one. Or what we can do is basically this sits like this, it's all the way bottomed out. So what we can do is we can actually cut, we don't need to cut much, but about this much off, so we can basically have enough travel to take up all of this adjustment, and that should be the perfect amount for us to be able to fit this with the correct wheel alignment. Or if we want to do it the correct way, we will need to change the lower control arm.